What's the deal, YouTube? This is your boy ACG in the building. Thank you. Today, we are actually unboxing the G2 Research R.I.P 9mm bullets. These does look like. It came with only 20 rounds. Hold on, I got the receipt right here. It just came in, had to hurry up, get y'all some fire content and shit. But total, like with it being shipped and handled and everything, it was $47.94. And this was the cheapest I could find this ammo. Also, these what they look like. Hold on, let me show y'all. I'm about to transfer y'all there. So this is what the bullet looks like. Let me see if I can get it closer. Nah, that's what the bullet looks like. And it has, let me get y'all. So it comes with 20 R.I.P rounds, and the R.I.P doesn't stand for what you think it stands for. It stands for radical invasive projectiles. So them things that get up in you. For these, I will be carrying these in my G3 Tactical back there, Princess Peach. But until I get one of those clear things that we can shoot them in and test how the projectiles project, I will be carrying these mixed with the hollows that I already have in them. The hollows that I already have in her extended mag 21 round. This was really gonna be just a little short one. I wasn't trying to waste y'all time. This is just unboxing of the R.I.P. Here, let me put that up. Of the R.I.P. of the G2 Research R.I.P 9mm. The box is pretty cool. On the back, you got a little bit of writing on it. It shows you really how it enters. It enters right here, and then the prongs prong out. The prongs go in and shoot different directions, and the core keeps going. So, and then this is how it looks from the front. Let's see. On the side, don't really got nothing for real. On this side, just give you some more information. So yeah, it's really simple packaging. You know how gun ammo packaging be. Pretty straightforward. It says the last round you will ever need up at the top. If y'all can see that. The last round you will ever need. Yeah, for $50, I hope so. $50 for 20 rounds. I hope so. I'm about to load these up to the mag, and we're gonna see how this goes. Right now I have 10 of the hollows in there. I'm thinking if it's really a self-defense situation, I'm really gonna only use 2 bullets, so I might do.
This is a 21. I got 10 of those. I could do 10 of these, and then I do 2x2. I'm gonna just do 2x2. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2x2.
That's what it looks like loaded up. That's the back. Get the front of that thing. Sheesh, you know it's over. Them things get up in your tight beat. Tight. So yeah, that's what those look like. Loaded up in the mag. Now we gonna try function, because nobody is in this direction. Let's see. So we gonna try to run. So I have let me show you. I have a R.I.P bullet, and then right up under it, I have a hollow. You see it? You can kind of see, and then right up under the hollow, you can kind of see the, yeah, you see. We're gonna I'm gonna do 3 chambers. They all gonna fall out. My fingers not gonna touch the trigger, and the gun is gonna be pointed in a safe direction. But then, here we go. Okay, so they chambered good. Let me get the last one. They chambered good. They all over the place now. Alright. Let me pick these up. On the second one, it was a little jammy, but I had Alright, so I don't know how many hollows I had before this. But yeah, I had the R.I.P bullet. Then I had a hollow tip. Then I had another R.I.P bullet. Then I had the hollow tip. Those were the first 3 that I chambered. And you kind of saw in the second R.I.P bullet got kind of hung up, but it's still chambered. I think it was really because of me and how I was chambering it. Alright, so now we got them loaded back up. In the gun, once again, this is a safe environment. No one is in this room. We just in it. This is what it looks like in it. And then it looks like that. Chambered nice, smooth. Take it out.
Hey man, have you subscribed yet? Hold on, bro. Hey man, I'm talking to you. Have you went down and pressed the bell? You said you ain't. You said you ain't what? You ain't liked the video yet, bro. Hey man. I'ma need you to do what you gotta do. What you mean? That's crazy. If I scare you right now, you should be scared.
But I'm just playing, guys. It's just me. It's just HCG. Y'all go down and smash the like button. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell. And you know what's crazy? Hold on, cause I gotta look now. I gotta look at my statistics, cause I'm about to see what y'all been analytics. Let's see how many people not subscribed. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. Y'all done dropped down to, ain't no way good. 63.4% is not subscribed. But I have been doing shorts and everything, so if y'all haven't seen my shorts, go over to my shorts just click go down to my name, click it, scroll over the shorts, click those, click through them. You know, I got some little funny ones. I did take this to the range, so well, I took both of them to the range, but I've shot Princess Peach before, but I haven't got a chance to let y'all see me shooting them. It's motivational time with HCG Motivations in the building. HCG Motivations in the building. The feelings that you have now are temporary. It might not come today, tomorrow, or even the next week, but once you keep pushing to where you want to be, like with this, the crew, like I made a business. And right now we're trying to set everything up so everything can be on autopilot. So right now we're just grinding right now. Right now I'm in the grinding phase with y'all, you know, if you are still in the grinding phase. So keep your head high. Don't let anybody tell you what you can't do. God only gives his toughest soldier his toughest problems. So just always remember that. Remember that there's always someone out there that's having a worse day than you. It all starts with a smile at a time. Yeah, hey, ACG in the back with the R.I.P bullets in the front. You hear me? Alright. We out.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.